All right, so we got some vocabulary here that we've talked about a little bit here and there. Standard position just means it starts normal spot right there from that axis and then goes in that direction. All right, terminal side is just the ending side. All right, intersects the unit circle at -1/3, -8/3. So -1/3 is going to be in that direction. It's not -8/3. It's negative square root of 8/3 is in that direction. And those are upside down. Okay, so my point is going to be out here someplace. So there's my triangle. There's my angle. All right. I'm going to have a 1/3 side there and a square root of 8/3 sides here. All right, and then I don't know this. It's going to end up being 1 because it says unit circle, but I'm going to show you that it doesn't matter if I know that for this. Because I don't remember what unit circle is. I'm like, all right, well, 1/3 squared, square root of 8/3 squared equals x squared. So I take my calculator and I go 1/3 squared plus square root of 8/3. Parentheses here though, that's not good. Parentheses squared. It's going to give me 1. All right. So it's going to give me 1. I know it's going to give me 1 because it's a unit circle, which means x equals 1, which means the hypotenuse is 1. All right. So now I got to think about this. Secant comes from cosine, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. So that means I'm doing hypotenuse over adjacent. All right. So hypotenuse over adjacent is 1 over square root of 8/3, right? I didn't label these. Hypotenuse, nope, that's not right. Opposite adjacent. Good thing I labeled them so I don't get the question wrong. 1 over 1/3. Okay, obviously that's not there. All right, so then let's go ahead and be like, all right, well, I don't know, let's put it in the calculator. I don't know what else to do. So 1 over 1/3 is 3. All right. So it's either 3 or it's -3. Well, look, the only one there is -3. Why is it -3? A, S, T, C. All sine, tangent, cosine. So the tangent ones are positive there. Secant comes from cosine, which is negative there. So it's -3. That's why it's negative, all right, from that value right there.